South Korea's ex-president Yoon Suk-yeol getting 5 years in jail over his failed martial law bid. The Seoul District Court finding him guilty of multiple charges, including obstructing attempts to arrest him. This is the first of several trials the impeached former leader is facing over his short-lived martial law attempt in December 2024. CNA senior correspondent Lim Yun-suk has all the details.
The court said the former South Korean leader's actions plunged the country into political crisis and criticized him for showing no remorse. Yoon Suk-yeol was convicted of using presidential security officers to block his arrest, failing to consult all cabinet members before declaring martial law, and drafting and then destroying documents. The court said he misused presidential security officers who are meant to serve the country for his own protection. Outside the courthouse, Yoon's supporters gathered, calling out his name and demanding the court dismiss all charges against him and be released from prison immediately.
저번에 했던 구형도 의미 없고요. 이번에 대통령한테 사형 구형도 의미 없어요. 어차피 얘네는 정해진 각본대로 하는 애들이고요. 법이 없습니다. 법이 없는 거 이미 국민들 반이 알고 있어요.
This is the first verdict of the 8 charges against Yoon linked to the martial law declaration. In the most serious charge of insurrection, prosecutors earlier this week demanded the death penalty. The verdict is expected to be out on February 19th. South Korea has not carried out an execution since 1997. But analysts say it is possible the court will hand out the death penalty to live up to the expectations of South Koreans, knowing that it will not be carried out. Meanwhile, reactions remain mixed. One civic group says it has received more than 18,000 signatures from South Koreans who believe that the court should hand him the death penalty. But some disagree.
사형 없어져야 될 거죠. 그거 그렇지 않습니까? 어떤 사람은 있어야 된다 그러는데 저는 사형보다는 사형은 없는 게 좋지 않나 그렇게 생각을 해요.
There are only 2 sentences for the charge of leading an insurrection in South Korea: the death penalty or life imprisonment. Lim Yun-suk, CNA, Seoul.